All right, so the way to change the confirmation page, I've showed it in a previous video, but let's go through it really quickly. The very first thing I have to do is actually get to the form itself. So let me just go back there. And if I just go to test one, and this right here is actually the form in which I have made myself. This is how I see it. The people taking it will see this format, but this is what my editing page looks like. And right at the very bottom here, this confirmation page, this is what you could change. You could just change whatever this says. Now, after, there's a few other options you could do. You could actually show a link. So like for me, why I do this is I have a lot of students that might share computers. So after they've submitted the form, they can then share the computer with somebody else and it'll go right back. It will kind of link up with that form again and allow the next students to take the form. But you could also publish and show a link to the results to all the forms of the respondents. So I can click on this here, and then it says allow responders to edit responses after submitting. So if they publish it and they see other people and they want to change it, you could do that if you want to click on this one here. So let's just take a look at it and see what it looks like with publishing and showing a link to the results. So if I go to view live form, and if I fill this out and I hit submit, this is what they're able to do. See previous responses. And here it is. They can actually see what their classmates said as well, which is kind of cool. It's a different way to do it. I don't generally do this very often because I feel like, I guess it doesn't matter if after the fact they look and see the responses, but if they're sharing computers like I do in my class a lot of times and they see this response, this might influence what they respond, the next person responds. So I don't do this very often, but it is a cool feature that you could do. Again, to change the confirmation page, you simply change that right there.